Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by confirming hardware and power settings. Check that your screen and BIOS support an always-on display. Some panels disable this. Once done, plug the laptop into AC so it doesn't suspend and select a performance or balanced profile to avoid aggressive sleep. Make sure you update display and power drivers. Outdated firmware can block persistent display modes. These steps prepare the system for configuration and prevent interruptions, so you can proceed to software configuration confidently. Now you change the operating system settings. In Windows, open Power Options and set the screen to never when plugged in, and turn off Sleep and Hibernate for AC. On Mac OS, adjust battery and power adapter settings similarly. Once those are set, enable the lock screen always-on feature if your OS supports it, or use a lightweight app that keeps the display active without full desktop animation. Make sure you test while connected to power, because battery rules often override these settings. Finish by optimizing for longevity and stability. If you have an OLED panel, enable manufacturer tools for pixel shifting and dimming to reduce burn-in. You'll want screensavers off but protective measures on. Monitor temperatures, and, if needed, use a cooling pad because constant on increases heat. If the display still won't remain active, reboot into BIOS to confirm power settings, reinstall or roll back display drivers, and test with a clean user profile. These steps usually reveal.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.